Hello everyone, today I have the October 2020 Allure Beauty Box, and they rose the price. I'm sure everyone knows that by now, but now it is $23 a month. I signed up back in June for a year, so the price did not go up for me. Then that's what it looks like on the inside. And here's the little pamphlet. The first thing I am pulling out is from Roche Posay, and it is a Lipicar Balm Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream, AP+. Looks like. No safety seal, but it doesn't look like anything was used out of it, so that is good. And this says the 400 milliliter bottle of this is $19.99, and Elizabeth Siegel, Deputy Beauty Director, says, "At Allure, we talk a lot about basic moisturizers, simple formulas that make skin glow without the extra stuff, like fragrances that can dehydrate or create sensitivity. La Roche-Posay's pared back formula fits the bill. It's gentle enough for eczema-prone skin and babies, but effective enough that it got rid of stubborn flaky patch where my ring rubs against my pinky. It's rich and creamy, yet unassuming after it's been applied. There's no slippery feel and no strong scent to compete with my perfume. After using it, my arms and legs are soft, and my hands are pre-pandemic level smooth." Next I'm pulling out is the new company, Topical C. Looks like some stuff on the back. Don't know exactly what that is. But anyways, like this powder form of a vitamin C, and this one is full size, I believe, and it retails for $70. And Sam Escobar, digital editorial director, says, "I have tested dozens if not hundreds of serums, and many are too heavy for my skin, which often breaks out if I go beyond my usual moisturizer and eye cream routine. But the new Topical C has changed the game. It's a powder that you mix into your other skincare products or even water, and it lets me easily incorporate vitamin C into my regimen without adding weight. It is the skincare equivalent of those expensive boosts advertised on smoothie shop menus. I add a few shakes of this powder to a gel moisturizer and get skin that looks a whole lot brighter without any breakouts." So this is what it looks like again. Next I am pulling out is some nail polish from Static Nails in Irene. Looks like very pretty color, and this retails for $16. And Kara McGrath, the deputy editor, says, "I, a person who used to get gel manicures bi-weekly, have shifted to doing my own nails. Irene has become an unexpected favorite. I typically stay away from nudes, but this color looks like a dusty rose against my fair skin, which brings out my warm undertones, and feels more exciting than beige. The first swipe goes on sheer, but the cruelty-free formula, which doesn't contain questionable ingredients like formaldehyde or toluene, I don't know, layers into a semi-opaque finish. Also, it applies so thin that I feel like it dries extra quickly. Next is from Verso, and it's Super Eye Serum with Retinol 8. It looks like. And this is, I think, the third full-size item, and it says it's worth $65. The new box is supposed to come with at least 3 full-size items now, and 6 or 7 items in total. Not 100% sure on that. But anyways, Diana Mazzone, Senior Beauty Editor, says, if you're the type of person who remembers to use eye cream every day, you're probably also a pro at keeping plants alive. There's no excuse for my perpetually wilted ficus. Yeah. But the reason I rarely use eye cream is because 95% of the ones I've tried make my eyes water, create little bumps around my lids, or fail to deliver noticeable benefits. But Verso Super Eye Serum is among the rarefied 5%. The lightweight texture doesn't irritate my eyes, even with retinol as a star ingredient, and the applicator enables me to apply pinhead-sized dots of product, which I pat in with my ring finger directly on my under eyes. After using the serum nightly for about 2 weeks, my dark circles were less purple, and my under eye bags were less puffy. It's just that. Okay, the next thing is from Dr. Jart, and it's a ceramidin cream. Looks like. And the full size retails for $48. Brennan Kilbane, senior writer, says, when I was working on my first beauty job, I thought moisturizers were just supposed to hydrate, but I was wrong. They also make sure your face retains as much existing moisture as possible. The ceramidin line uses a blend of ceramides, fat, juicy molecules that act like a glue between skin cells, so precious moisture can't escape. The cream also has botanical extracts like artichoke, smooths fine lines, and turmeric, which is antibacterial. It spreads like soft butter and creates a lightweight barrier. I like to think of it as the saran wrap of my skin routine, when moisture gets trapped in for the day ahead. Next is from Sigma. It is a liquid lipstick in Venom. And the full size retails for $20. That's what it looks like. That's what the applicator looks like. And this is the color. Wipe some of the lip balm that I had on off. Okay, I need to get closer. Okay, that's the best I'm gonna do. And this is what it looks like. Really pretty. And the last thing in here, actually, not the last thing. There's 2 more things. Okay, so this is Resk Pure Mix Native Fig Replenishing Shampoo and Conditioner. Little foil packets. And this is on the back, so that is just a bonus item. It says our blend of fig, vitamin C, E, and calcium gently cleanses and replenishes the hair's moisture levels while softening and detangling, free of sulfates, parabens, silicones, artificial colorants, gluten, and cruelty-free. Now, the last thing that was in here is this Bulma Shumann European Skincare Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads. That's what they look like. And 5 of them retail for $18. And JC says, I'm sure I'm not the only person who has awakened in the middle of the night with anxiety lately. Trying to recall if I put on hand sanitizer before touching my face or tossing because I feel a tickle in my throat. When I finally climb out of bed, I've got panda eyes, which is even more obvious on video calls because of the unflattering overhead lighting in my home. I've taken to putting on these iPads first thing in the morning while I meditate. The gel feels cooling, and the pads are soaked in hyaluronic acid and hydrolyzed collagen to help plump skin temporarily. After 20 minutes of wearing them while listening to uplifting mantras via an app, I'm left with a sense of calm and a face that looks halfway rested. So that is what was in my October Allure. So got the iPads, the Super Eye Serum from Verso, the Dr. Jart Ceramide Cream, the Sigma Liquid Lipstick in Venom, the Static Nails in Irene, the new company Topical C, and the Roche Posay Lippicar Balm Moisturizing Cream. And that's all I have for you guys. I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.